Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 31st of August. Today is the last working day for this month, and I'm actually explaining you what is going to happen in the market for today. If you have not, if you have been a part, if you have not been a part of my YouTube channel, if you have not subscribed to that, just go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so that you'll get all the notifications. Guys, as I have been repeatedly telling you, market is on real fire. In fact, if you see the US market, even on the last Friday, made altogether absolutely new highs, and it has actually continuously kept on moving higher and higher and higher. And if you look at what is happening in the uh, futures as of now, we are looking that we may actually get started somewhere around 11,750 range, or probably 11,800. So that means there's absolutely crazy things happening. Probably some very good news is coming for Indian market. One of the news is actually could be related to L&T and some other company called some other shipyard related company actually has got um, is getting this defense related projects because government is actually planning to do more towards the defense, and that too in the submarine related domain. That is one very important aspects, and probably there could be some other announcements which could actually happen related to GST or something related, uh, which is going to probably be taken positively by the market. And if you look at the China market, already is 1% up. Hang Seng, everything is almost 1% up. And if you look at Nikkei, which is actually Japanese index, is almost 2% up. So overall, if you look at all the markets are looking quite good, and European market right now only DAX is actually opened in the future, and that is also almost 1% up. So if you look at it, most of these global indexes are actually looking quite positive, and that suggests that the market is going to open positive, and probably we will close positive also. Now the only thing is, as I have been telling you, till 12,000 we don't have any significant resistance as such, and even if we get a resistance, it will be close, not actually any significant resistance. It will be a little shadow corrections. Even if it has to come, it will actually happen. Otherwise, the market looks like it we are getting started with a gap up opening, and if this gap is going to sustain, then actually it will be a phenomenal thing. Or else, if the gap is not going to sustain, probably we may actually try to fill in this gap, and then again at the lower end we may actually take the support and move higher. So that's in just what is going to happen. So as I have been telling you, there is a good scope of keeping on buying in the market, and last yesterday we have closed this bank nifty at 24,500 range. So bank nifty can easily move to around 25,000, which is the level which I have been actually referring to. So 25,000 could be the level, and we need to see from there how it will move ahead. After 25,000, the major significant resistance comes somewhere on 25,500 could act as a little resistance, and after that we have a significant resistance somewhere around 27,000 range. So I have been telling you, as long as bank nifty is going to support this new leg of rally is actually being mainly supported by the banks. So that's how actually things are. And if you look at the gold and silver, very likely that they may actually correct, because they are almost nearby to the previous um, they are nearby to our previous resistances, and it is actually a sell on rally if you look at all the gold and silver. So since it rallied a bit, now it will be more likely for us to look at selling for gold and silver. So that's what I can see. And banking related stocks will really actually move quite high. So I'll actually come out with the intraday and the positional trading tips. You just be stay tuned on this, and I'll actually help you out with what stocks actually you can look for intraday and positional trades. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so that you will get all the updates. And if you're not part of my Telegram group where you get all the latest information, just go and search for Crazy Money with Sri on Telegram and go and join this channel. You will get all the latest updates. Today at 6 o'clock I'll be actually doing the last day, the fifth day of my training, which is actually where I'll be sharing you the best practices followed by all the successful traders. And I'll be actually coming out with newer webinars where I'm actually going to talk to you about your stocks, which stocks you want to actually go and buy, and if you are already holding, what to do with them and all. I'll be coming out with that. I'll be actually updating you the timings, and I think that's it, guys. If there's anything else, you can just let me know and I'll be able to help you out. Thank you very much. Have a great day.